Have you ever wondered how a hyper-realistic portrait is created? Today I will tell you how I made this portrait of the legendary actor Uttam Kumar. Uttam Kumar is not just a star of Bengali cinema, he is an icon of Indian cinema. His character, style, of course his handsome looks have always inspired me. Let me start by explaining how I began this sketch. First, I used the grid system, which is very helpful for maintaining the proper proportion according to the reference picture. Once the outline was done, I started working on the hair. Uttam Kumar's hair texture is very unique, so I began by creating a base with a lighter pencil. Then, step by step, I added darker shades to build texture and depth. This process took some time as I worked in layer to achieve the realistic texture of the hair. I started with a light shade for the base, then added layers to create depth and bring out the emotions. Another important task is to focus on the structure and formation of the hair. Observe step by step how I am drawing the hairs. After finishing the hair, I move on to the eyes. You know, the eyes are the soul of a portrait. This part was particularly challenging because capturing the depth and charm of Uttam Kumar's expressive eyes was not easy. I also detailed the eyebrows, the surrounding areas for a realistic touch. I worked on the nose and lips. To highlight the shadows and textures, I carefully added layers starting with light pencil stroke and gradually moving to darker shades. My main focus was on capturing the play of light and shadows in these areas. This entire process took me to 5 hours, but I truly enjoyed every step of it. While creating this portrait, I felt a unique connection to Uttam Kumar, a timeless actor. Through this artwork, I have tried to capture his style, his character, and his larger-than-life personality. After completing the face, I worked on Uttam Kumar's iconic coat and tie. I started with a light base and slowly built up the shading and details. The folds of the tie and the texture of the coat were carefully rendered to make them look as real as possible. Finally, I added highlights to make the portrait come alive. So what do you think? How does this portrait look to you? Let me know in the comments. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. I will see you in the next video.